Hi, this is Walker with Sell House Columbus, and I'm here with Earl, and we just purchased the property on Lonsdale. And Earl, how did you hear about Sell House Columbus originally?
There was like a postcard on my house.
Okay, so you got a note, little postcard from us there. And then how was your experience? How would you describe your experience working with us throughout the process?
Pretty smooth.
Okay, perfect. So it was a good experience for you?
Yes, it was.
Okay, perfect. And then the last question I have for you is just if you knew that somebody was wanting to sell their house, would you refer them to us?
Yeah, I got your number.
Okay, hey, perfect. That's what we like to hear. So it was a pleasure doing business with you, and we really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.